Grand Old Partisan celebrates more than 17 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today I honor George Williams, born in upstate New York, March 26, 1823. The ambitious lawyer moved to Frontier, Iowa, and soon was elected state judge. President Franklin Pierce named him Chief Justice of Oregon Territory. Though a Democrat, Williams opposed slavery. He incurred his party's wrath by ruling in favor of a black man suing his former owner for custody of his own children. Resigning from the bench, he published a newspaper which called for admittance to the Union with a constitution that banned slavery. He served as delegate at the statehood convention. During the Civil War, Williams supported the Lincoln administration. Dismay at lack of Unionist resolve in his party led to joining the GOP. In 1864, the legislature elected him to a term in the U.S. Senate. He aligned himself with the radical Republicans, who sought to convert the post-war South into a free society. December 1871, Ulysses Grant appointed him Attorney General. Among his priorities were prosecuting Klansmen and monitoring Democrat compliance with the Republican civil rights agenda. He supported a federal judge's decision favoring the GOP candidate in Louisiana's disputed 1872 election, and then recognized an African American, Pinckney Pinchback, to be that man's legal successor as governor. December 1873, President Grant nominated him for Chief Justice, but the nomination was withdrawn due to allegations of financial corruption. After leaving office, he declined the ambassadorship to Spain. He traveled to Florida to help secure Rutherford Hayes' victory in the 1876 presidential election. Nearly 3 decades later, Williams was elected mayor of Portland. He and Charles Fairbanks, Theodore Roosevelt's vice president, headlined the opening of the Lewis and Clark Centennial Exposition. He was an early supporter of women's suffrage. Back to basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, "The more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs." For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.